Welcome to the trusted, honest, and exciting hotel reviews by The Daughter Journey. If you love traveling and need more information about hotel recommendations, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, without further ado, let's start the reviews! So everyone, today I'm going to review an hotel that I stay in Kuala Lumpur in my third and fourth day, and the hotel is Floresta Hotel Chinatown. So let's go. And this is the the in front door, the receptionist place, and we will go to the room and see how is the room looks like. And we need to take the elevators to go to the room, and my room is in a four floors. So first we'll go to the second floor, and then we have to walk and pass some rooms like this. Yep. And then we will go to the rooms and second floor. Long time. So if you are in the first time in this hotel, it's quite confusing. However, if you already find your room, it will be easy for you to follow the instructions that place on the wall. And here is the other elevator. So we'll use the elevator to the fourth floor. Ta-da! It's at the fourth floor right now, and we will see how my rooms look like. Keep watching. It's because if you want to stay here, you should know how the rooms look like. And by the way, this hotel is right in Chinatown, so it's easy to go in Chinatown street, where you can shop there as well as find a place for food. And this hotel is also close to the central market, so easy to go everywhere. Okay, now I'm already in the room, and let's take a look at the room. How does it look like, and also what are the facilities that they provide in this room. And we enter the room, the door, and also there is the key, and right on here is the cupboard, so you can put your bag and your shoes right here. And here is the cupboard. Here is quite big. Yep. And over here there's a TV, and also desks for working and chairs. Right here there is a big mirror, and over here, so this, they put this garden, but there is nothing behind. There is no windows. And right here is the bed. It's a queen bed, and there is another place for charging your phone and everything. The room is very clean. to have telephone and the room, all the view. And over here, another mirror. Here is the bathroom. You can see here a shovel, toilet for hanging on, and the shower. I think they have the gels, and I think they have the hot shower as well. Oh, I forgot that right here they also have like free coffee, 3-in-1. And also here they have some stuff for vanity kit. I think this is toothbrush, and what is this one? Vanity kit, like a shower cap or something like that. Oh, this is shower cap, this is vanity kit. Why so many? Also they have free bottles, waters. I don't know why they put the toilet paper here. And here they have a kettle, and also right here they have the hair dryer. Not bad. So that's all. Not that much thing to see, but is for one person is enough. And the AC right here, 1 person is enough. And for a short stay, like I only stay here for 2 days, and the price is like 260 per night. It's including the tax that I pay from Agoda. And also here just a quick informations that if you stay in a hotel or in any place, especially like a hotel and everything, or homestay, they will charge, especially the foreigners, for the tax, tourism tax. So 1 person they will charge, like I don't know, 1 person or 1 room, they will charge like 20 ringgit, 20 Malaysian ringgit. So yeah, it's just about like almost like 80,000 rupiahs, but it's okay. I think it's good enough. That's all for the review for my second hotel in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So if you are interested to stay in this hotel as well, you definitely can see on Agoda, or directly just go to this hotel for the booking. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next hotel reviews in my next journey. Bye bye.